Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set free shipping pop-up or how you can add free shipping pop-ups. Now, this whole thing means that if like your customer adds the product to the cart, you will receive a message or a pop-up that says you are only, for example, $15 away from free shipping. So it will just encourage your customers to buy more from you. So that's exactly, guys, the point of adding free shipping pop-ups on Shopify. Okay, so what you guys need to do to add free shipping pop-ups, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps, like apps and sales channels. Okay, so after, guys, you click on apps and sales channels, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so after you are on this page, you just need to search here for free shipping pop-up. No, okay, so here there are a lot of apps that help you do this. Now the one I like, it's called free shipping pop-up, this one. As you can see, you can also watch this video if you want here.
How much more they need to spend to get free shipping.
So that's the point of adding a free shipping pop-up. Just click on install, and after, guys, you click on install, just wait like a few seconds and confirm. Just click again on install. Okay, so the next page here, as you can see, is the app. As you can see, free shipping pop-up. So after you are here, guys, what you guys need to do is to here it says make sure you configured at least one free shipping rate. I already did that. So here it says customize the pop-up to match your store theme and click save button. So here the theme design, you just need to add here, for example, blue color here, or I'd say green. Okay, here as you can see, this is how it's going to appear. Okay, so here it says without branding, or upload custom image if you want to upload custom image, okay, or add the custom CSS. It depends on your choice. Okay, you can also change the change the drone's colors or animated images if you want to request animated images. Now I like this one like this, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, the free shipping goal. So I'm going to, okay, so free shipping goal, I'm going to set it to $20, for example. And here seconds to display, I would say, okay, I'm going to add 4 seconds or 3 seconds. And that's it. After that, you want to, here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can then change, for example, multiple goals if you have like multiple goals, or pop-up size if you want to change the pop-up size, if you want to make it bigger or smaller. Now after you are finished, you want to click on save in the top right here. Okay, so here activate free shipping pop-up embed. So you just need to click here on activate free shipping pop-up. It will take you guys directly to theme editor to activate it. Just toggle it on. Okay, as you can see here, just toggle it on. As you can see, toggle this box on, and then click on save in the top right. Now that's it. Here enable the button, like enable the button to show the pop-up every time a customer adds a product to the cart on your online store. You can click on it, and then you want to click on this one, and that's it. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how it works. Now you want to click on show preview if you want, and it will show you guys this. Your cart has been updated. As you can congratulate, you have got a free shipping. Continue shipping, and this is exactly how it works. Now you can check on your, like, go to your online store and add a product to your cart and see if you like it or not. If you don't like it, you can always come to this page and make some changes, for example, to the shipping goal or seconds to display, which is the most important things here. So yeah, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.